Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Crazy Katie Corner Technology channel. In this episode we will be trying to fix a slow computer. This is a HP 22-inch touch smart all-in-one. Let's see how long it takes to boot into Windows. Let's see what Task Manager says is happening. As you can see, the disk is running at 100%. This is why it's going so slow. And the memory in it is using 63% of the memory. Even a simple task such as Task Manager took a long time to load. This is why we need to fix it. We've already tried the basics, scanning for viruses, removing apps and defragmenting the drives, but that didn't work. What remains is to restart with a fresh version of Windows. Windows offers two versions of this. The first one is Refresh. This resets Windows but keeps all the documents. The second is Reset, which clears everything. We will try the Refresh to see if it fixes it, and if it doesn't, we will reset it. It's now only just dropped below 100%. To be safe and make sure we don't lose anything, we've backed up all of the files. Let's get started. First, you need to open the settings. Then you search up Reset. Then you can click on Get Started. Click Yes. And then choose Keep My Files. Then it starts getting ready. is giving you one final chance to back out, and it says resetting will change settings back to their defaults, but it will keep personal files and reinstall Windows. The refresh is now completed and we have installed all updates. We will run the original up top to see if it has made any difference. Let's start it up. The other issue that the user was having was that it took a while to open applications. Let's try Task Manager first. I don't know if it opened faster, but it felt faster. As you can see though, the disk is still running at 100%. One of the main applications the user uses is Word. Let's see how fast it opens. We didn't test this previously, but when we used to open it, it took a long time. This is almost instantly. While not a fast computer, significant improvements have been made. A future improvement could be a memory upgrade, as this is only using one slot. That is a future video. Our Facebook page can be found here, and our Twitter can be found here. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.